Welcome to App Center. Here's the very first page you're going to be on. We'll walk through the initial setup and onboarding of your very first users. So the first thing we need to do is upload an app. We'll go to the Apps tab. As you can see, we have no apps there. So what we're going to do is drag an initial app over and get that installed. Let's go ahead and just drag over File Manager. And this is our first time. We're going to leave this as a beta version. If it was an iOS app, we would send an email to those folks. So our app is ready, and now we need to do a branding of our store. So let's head over to Settings. We're going to do branding of our App Center. In this case, this is the demo. We'll name this. This is what the name of the app will look like on the device. And we're going to choose an icon here. It turns out I have one that I would like to use, so I'm going to take this nice fancy truck graphic and assign that as our brand. I'll save that away and we will be in good shape. Now, other branding that we can do is to brand for iOS as well. In that case, we would download the builder, ensure that we have our enterprise license certificates, and go through the same series of steps. The last thing we need to do is to invite a user. We have no users. We have an app and we have a branded app store, but we have no users. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and send, let's send this fella that I know. We'll send cp@boardfisher.com an invitation. Let's update this. We'll update our letter that we're going to send him. So we're going to say that we're going to invite him to the demo 1. App Store. Now in this case, we'll be good to go. So we send an invitation, and the next steps will be very, very simple. Our user will get an email. He'll click on it and download the App Store that we just created. You now have a up and running App Store with a user.